Okay, so today we're gonna be interviewing Sansa and her nonfiction story. So the first question, where did the idea for your piece come from?
The idea for my piece came from my middle school years. So I had gone through a series of bullying events, and that was just one of them that took place at a youth conference in North Dakota at a casino. And I feel like it impacted me so much that I wanted to share with other people so that they could see like the turn of events that happened that day.
Talk about the language. Where were you trying to do it? What technique did you use? Did anything about your own writing surprise you?
Well, yeah, I think that for the first time ever, I used words that probably weren't the kind of words that I usually use, kind of words that I guess you can call res talk, as we call on the reservation. So kind of like slang, but I felt like the way I described the girls in my story was kind of derogatory, and so I thought that if I described them that way, then people would kind of get my point across that they were really kind of mean the way I described them in my story.
So how did you feel when your story was workshopped in our class?
When it was workshopped, I was kind of expecting people to be a little surprised because it was kind of hard for me to have to share something that personal with the whole class. So I felt like this is kind of a jump for me, a kind of a leap. But I felt pretty confident about it. I got good feedback. I think I did a good job.
So do you want to continue with your story, or what's up next for you? Like what with your story being finished and edited, what do you want to do with that story?
I want to continue to share it and maybe make a few more corrections on it and add more to it, kind of make it come to life a little bit more than it already has. I feel like there's a lot more that I can do with it.